Hi everyone! I want to show you this beautiful newly constructed home in College Park. It's located at 1115 Latta Ln in Orlando. This is a full custom home featuring 4 bedrooms, all with private in-suite bathrooms. This home has been amazingly designed with high-quality materials and so many upgrades, most of them coming from Italy. I want to show it to you. Come and join me. This home offers a nice floor plan. When you enter the main door, the clean lines and smooth finishes would impress you. Look at this beautiful kitchen, built and designed with custom wood Italian cabinets, and this big island perfectly blended with the formal dining and family area, creating the perfect environment to entertain your family and friends. The upstairs master suite features a relaxing spa bathroom with a stand-top and spacious shower. Large walk-in closet in master bedroom features a coffee bar to save early morning steps down to the kitchen. The other 2 bedrooms are upstairs and are complemented by a flexible sitting area for private lounging. The wonderful high-quality finishes and the great location, only minutes from downtown Orlando, make this a must-have.